Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at your home. So students, today in this video we are going to cover a new English chapter and the name is How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. Alright, so basically this chapter is about the dog, how the dog has become the domesticated animal for the humans, how the relationship between the dog and the humans have developed over the years, or you can say over the centuries. And we will see that how the people started using wild animals as their tamed animal or as their domesticated animal. Alright, so let's see over here. Nowadays we also find the dogs or in the people's houses, right? They use them for as their pet animal. So you may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal. Okay, so in this story we will see that how the over the centuries, over the years, people have been using the animals as their domesticated or as their pet animals and their tame animals. And in this story we will see how the dog has become the tame animal for the people. So here you can see the picture of it and how the dog found himself a new master. So we will read this story and we will understand it. Alright. So dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than he. Alright, so our first pair says that dog used to live in freedom, means they were their own masters, right? They were not following to anyone. They were not having any masters. They used to live alone and they used to live like the wolves do. Okay, so now there is one dog and he found himself as the ill pleased. Ill pleased means he was not happy with the way he was living, with the way he was spending his life. Okay, so he was once sick. The dog was sick and he was tired of wandering. Wandering in the sense he was tired of moving here and there and he was searching the food. Looking for the food in the sense he was searching the food. Okay. And he was frightened. He was frightened means he was afraid that of those who were stronger than he. He was afraid that there would be some people or there would be some animals who would be stronger than the dog itself. So, coming to a second para, he thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on earth. And he set out to find such a master. Okay, now he thought it over, right? That dog thought it over and over, means he thought many a times and then he decided one thing. Which was that one thing? He decided that the best thing for him was to find one master and become the servant of that master, and who could be stronger than anyone on the earth. So he wants to find out one master who is the stronger on the earth and he can become the servant of that master. Now, third point, he walked and he met a kinsman of his, a big wolf who was as strong as he was fierce. Now, the dead dog, what he's doing, he's walking and he's walking and suddenly he found the kinsman of his. Kinsman means a relative of his. Now, who was that relative? The relative means the relative was a big wolf. Okay, now suddenly a dog found whom? A big wolf. Now he was strong also and he was fierce also, right? He was not weak. That dog was strong and he was fierce. Means he was very violent and he was very frightened. Okay, where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. Now, the dog was passing from there. He saw the wolf over there. Now, the wolf is asking to whom? He is asking to the dog that where are you going? I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master? Wolf. Okay, so here the dog is asking to whom? Is asking to the wolf that he is looking for someone, means he is searching for someone to he can take up service. He can take up service means you can see the meaning is given over here on the right hand side. He can become the servant of it. So he want one master to that he can become the servant, and they live like a servant and master. So would you like to be my master? Is asking to the wolf. So how the now what the wolf is replying to the dog, that we will see. I don't see. Why not? The wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. Alright, now the wolf was agree with the proposal of the dog. Proposal in the sense he put one condition that he want one like a master to he want one master who is stronger, and he wants to become the servant of that master. So he was agree with this. Now the wolf was agree with this, and now both of them were agreed. Now two of them went on together, means two of them were walking together. So coming to a fourth point, they walked and they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. Okay, now what happened? They both were going together, right? As of now, we saw that the dog was going and he found a wolf. He became the master. Sorry, the dog became the servant of the wolf. Now the wolf was his master. Now both of them are going together. Now when they were walked on and they walked on, when they were walking, suddenly the wolf lifted his nose and he sniffed, means he smelled. He smelled and darted quickly off. Darted means he moved quickly off to the into the bushes, and he crept deeper. Crept means he very fastly he gone into the forest. Now the dog was surprised that why this wolf is with when they were walking, suddenly what happened that he smelled something and he is going deeper into the forest, means he is trying to hide himself into the forest. So now what the dog is saying, we will see. What's come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? Now the dog is asking, is surprised that why the wolf is suddenly behaving in this way. Okay, so now the dog is very curious and is asking to his master, to the wolf, that what what's come over you, means what has affected you, like which thing has affected you, and why you are so frightened, means why you are so afraid. So now what the wolf will reply, we will see over here. Can't you see? There is a bear out there, and he might eat up both of us, you and me. So, wolf is replying to the dog. Can't you see that the bear is standing over there, right? If he'll see both of us, then he would eat you also, and he would eat me also, right? So, coming to a fifth point, seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. Now, here what the dog is doing, the dog saw that the wolf is afraid of the bear. So now according to the dog, the wolf is the weaker person and the bear is the stronger person than the wolf. So he decided one thing, that he'll end up this service, or he'll just he will not be no longer servant of the wolf. He started taking a service with the bear. So he went to the bear and he asked to the bear also to be his master. So the bear agreed to this readily and said, let us go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill. So now the bear was agreed with the dog's condition, and then he is saying to the dog that let us go, means let us go together. We will find the cow, a herd of cows, means a group of cows, and we will kill them, means I will kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill, means I'll kill the cow and we can get enough food to eat, and we will be no more hungry. So then coming to a sixth point, they walked on and soon saw a herd of cows, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. The cows were moving loudly and running in a panic in all directions. Alright, so when they were going together and when they were trying to search the cows, and they found the herd of cows too when they were going together, okay, on their way. But then what happened? That but just when they were supposed to reach, when they were about to reach to that group of cows, suddenly they saw that all the cows were moving here and there, and they are making noise, and they were running in the panic. They were running in the there was some problem, and they were running in all the directions. Okay, so let's see why it's happened. So now seventh point. The bear looked out from behind a tree, and then his two ran hastily deeper into the forest. Now, the bear and the dog were going alright from their own way, and they were searching for the cows. They saw that the cows were running here and there. Now the bear also looked out behind a tree, means he was hiding behind the tree. Okay, he was hiding behind the tree, and he was too running. He also ran hastily, means he also ran quickly deeper into the forest. He also tried to hide himself into the forest. Now, why the bear is hiding or he is hiding himself into the forest, that we will see. You can see in the photo that the group of cows are running here and there, and the dog and the bear are standing near to the tree, and the bear is trying to hide behind the tree. So now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lions who rules the forest in these parts. Okay. So now the bear is saying that, shit, that why I came over here, because this is all the place, this all parts belongs to whom? This is the all area which belongs to the lion, and the lion rules in this forest. Okay, he is saying to the dog. The lion, who's he? Now the dog is surprised. He is asking to the bear that the lion, who's he? Right? Who's that lion? Don't you know? He's the strongest beast on the earth. Okay, now the bear is replying to the dog. Hey, don't you know that the lion is the strongest beast? Means he's the strongest animal on the earth. Okay. Well then, I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Okay, now the dog decided that I'll say the goodbye to you. Means the dog is saying goodbye to the bear, because the dog wants someone who is stronger on the earth. Okay, so because the bear was like afraid of the lion, right? So the dog decided now he will no longer make the service with the bear. So he decided that he'll go to the lion. So and of the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. So what dog decided, he went to the lion, and he also put the proposal in front of the lion, and he said that I want to be your servant. Would you like to be my master? Same thing he did with all of the animals. So he asked him to the lion also that he wants to be his master. So the lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. Okay, now the lion also agreed with him that okay, no problem, you can be my servant and I will be your master. And that now dog used to serve him long time. Okay, now both of them were living again the master in the servant way, and they used to live a long time. Okay, now it was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. Okay, now the dog was having very good life. Now there was no complaint, and he was considered as the as the stronger, because he used to live with the stronger beast in the forest, and there was no any other stronger beast in the forest other than the lion itself. So even nobody used to dare to touch to the dog also, because dog used to live with the lion. He was the servant of the lion, and the lion was his master. Then coming to a ninth point, but no one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs, when all of a sudden lion stopped. He gave a roar, he gave a great roar, and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. Okay, now once what happened, they both were having a good life. They both were living together. Now both of them one day were passing, or you can say were walking side by side, means parallelly together. And on the way or on the path, you can say they now suddenly in the amid bare cliffs where all of the sudden lion stopped. So suddenly the lion, in the between, he suddenly stopped. Means on the way when they were passing, suddenly he stopped. Now why he stopped? Let's see. He gave a great roar. Means he gave a roar, in the sense he gave a great. It's a kind of a sound of the lion. He gave a great roar and he struck the ground angrily. So he was just in the ground. He was showing his anger in the ground, and he was with his paw, with his paw means with his foot, the lion's foot, and he with such a force, means he was showing his anger with such a force that in that ground one hole was formed, a hole was made, and he began to back away very quickly. So he is trying to go back, means go back to it from that path very quickly. So why these things happen? Why they suddenly they were passing, and from the between that bare cliffs in the sense, in the high rock or near, you can say, there is a rock they were passing, and suddenly he stopped over there. He was showing his anger into the ground, and the hole was formed. So here we will see, what is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asks the dog, surprised. Now the dog is surprised that what is wrong with you, master? Or everything is okay, right? So I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. We would better run for it, or we will be in trouble. Okay, now the lion is replying to the dog that I can smell that some man is coming near to us. Okay, so let's do one thing. It's better for us that we will just run away from this place. Otherwise, we will be in trouble, or otherwise we will be, in problem. Oh, well, then I'll say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Okay, so now the lion is afraid of the people, of the humans, of the men. So what the dog did, he said goodbye to the lion. Okay, so I'll goodbye to you means I want someone who is stronger on the earth, and I'll only serve to that person, or I'll only serve to that animal who is stronger on the earth. So in this way we have seen that how the dog is getting a new master day by day. Once first he's going to the wolf, then he's getting a bear, then he's finding lion, and then he's finding the man. So here, coming to our 10th point, and the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. Alright, so 10th point says that now the dog decided to join the, give the service to the man. So he stayed with the man, he used to serve to the people, or used to serve to the man, and he served him faithfully. He served in the sense he gave his service very loyally. Now all these things happened very long ago. Means it's not just this incident happened just before 2 or 3 years ago. This all things happened very long time ago, and starting from that day till now, the loyal servant of the man was the dog itself, and there was no any other master for the dog other than the man, because he found that the man is the strongest person in the world, and the man also, dog found the strongest person in the world, and the man also found the loyal servant like no other but the dog itself. So here we saw that in this lesson how the dog found his a new master, right? How he is going from, like, living his life, and he feel ill pleased, like he was not happy. He found the bear also, and then wolf, and then lion, and then he finally found a man to whom he is giving up his service, right? And he is like being the faithful or being the loyal servant for his man. Alright, students, so I hope you understood this chapter very well about how the dog found himself his new master. And this in this way, we are seeing that how the people or the human beings are using dog as their like domesticated animal. So as of now, we are completing this chapter over here, and you have to in homework you have to write this page number, this first page and this second page up to point number 5 one time, and you have to show me afterwards. Alright, students, so stay home, stay safe. Thank you.